Okay guys, so I wanted to go over your homework from last night as well. You'll notice that some of these questions are circled. That just means if you have any confusion, make sure that you go back and watch that YouTube video on reflecting over horizontal and vertical lines, okay? I'm going to go kind of fast. Since this is a video, you can pause it at any point to slow it down, okay? So you'll notice in this section, I have actually highlighted the line of reflection in green. Okay, please make sure that you are including the labels and their prime symbols. Okay, so for example, up here, I don't want you to accidentally think that this one is K prime and this one is J prime. So that would be major points deducted on a quiz or a test. So let's also take a look at this last section. 14 and 15 are also circled. The reason why is they go along with that video that I posted on YouTube. So make sure you check that out. Okay, moving to the back. Okay, these are glide reflections. So you'll notice my rules up top and you'll notice my descriptions below. I don't care which order you have the description listed as long as you have both. Okay, now I do want to talk you through a few examples in this section. Starting with the first one, my recommendation is to not break them up into two different transformations. You actually need to do this just in one full step. So the best way to do this is to list the original coordinates. So the original coordinate for A is -3, 4. Okay, the original coordinate for B is 1, 3. Okay, what I'm going to do with this coordinate, this first coordinate, is I need to take y. Not only do I need to change the sign, but I need to add 5. Okay, so in this case, my y is 4. Okay, I'm going to make that a -4 and then add 5. -4 plus 5 is a +1. Okay, then it looks like we're going to take the x, change the sign, and move it to the back. So the x value is -3. I'm going to change the sign, move it to the back, so a +3. Okay, we're gonna repeat this process right here. Okay, I need to take my y value, change the sign, and add 5. So -3 plus 5 is 2. Okay, and I'm gonna take my x value, change the sign, and move it to the back. So that's gonna become a -1. Okay, notice I'm gonna plot my points and make sure I include the labels in the correct spot with the prime symbol. Okay, I'm gonna repeat this process over here. Okay, I have D, E, and C, the original coordinates, listed. Okay, now that I have those listed, I'm going to take these kind of one by one and apply the rules. So I need to take y and subtract 2. So 1 minus 2 is -1. Okay, then I need to take x and subtract 2. So that's -1 minus 2, which is -3. Okay, then moving down to E, we're going to take y, subtract 2. 1 minus 2 is -1. Okay, take x and subtract 2. That's going to be 3 minus 2, which is 1. And last but not least, repeat for C. Okay, I'm going to do one more live with you on this video. Okay, I'm going to find the coordinate for J. Looks like J is at -3, -1. Okay, and K is at -1, 3. Okay, if we apply this first rule to J, we're going to take -x, so that's going to be a +3 plus 1 is a 4. Okay, then we're going to take y, change the sign, so that's a +1, -1 is 0. Okay, and next one is take x, change the sign, so +1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, take y, change the sign, which would be -3, -1 would be -4. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot those. 4, 0 is our J prime. Okay, then we have 2, -4 for K prime. Okay. Again, pause that video if you need to. I'm now going to show you just the remaining answers. Okay. Pause that video for that section. Make sure you check your labels. Okay, notice these are reversed because of that reflection. Okay, and last section. With these, when you're coming up with those rules, make sure you reference that video. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow for any additional questions.